Hi everyone, I'm Agent Vicky with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate, and I am so pleased to have with me Yancy and Joel from Equity Home Warranty.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, so sometimes a home warranty for people or buyers is like, what is that? What does it cover? So tell us what a home warranty actually is.
A lot of them are you're thinking it's home insurance, right?
Yeah,
And it's
sometimes
not.
they do.
Yeah. A home warranty is a service contract that covers the operating systems of the home.
Okay.
Operating systems, furnace, air conditioner,
Right.
water heater, any of those really expensive items, we cover that in every one of our plans. So it's just protection for those items that if they break due to normal wear and tear when they own the home, we'll take care of it.
That's really awesome. And actually,
Yeah.
that's mostly peace of mind, I think.
Oh,
When you buy a house, it's like you don't really know the history of the house
You
or
don't.
what is on its way out.
That's right.
So by having a home warranty, it kind of like gives you that sense that, well, if something breaks down, I'm okay, I'm covered, you know, we're going to be good and these guys are going to take care of us. So typically, how long is a home warranty for?
A home warranty typically lasts for 1 year, so it's a 1-year service contract with the warranty company. But we also offer an additional year, a second year of coverage. So for double the cost of a 1-year coverage, we have the ability to offer a 2-year plan.
That's awesome.
yeah, we're one of the first companies to come out with a 2-year home warranty.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Well, I always recommend to my buyers to make sure they, you know, seriously consider getting a home warranty. And I think, other than it being peace of mind, is that you guys actually offer a really good service. And I've used a number of different home warranties before, but my clients have, like, they'll call me and they'll say, oh, something broke down, like, what do I do? And I'll be like, you have a home warranty.
Yeah.
So how awesome is that? So give Yancy a call, and they'll call, and then I always ask for a follow-up just to make sure, you know, that they're taken care of. And every time they're like, oh my gosh, the service technician was out here like within 4 hours,
Yeah.
which they thought was crazy good.
Yeah, customer service is our #1 priority. It's very important to us that we take care of your clients
Yeah.
as well as everyone else's.
Yeah.
And really, that's the whole reason why we have the A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. It's because we're taking care of people like no one else is out there.
Yeah.
It's really important to us that we take care of people and really help them when their operating systems fail, because there are certain instances where things fail and it's an emergency. It's
Right.
0 degrees outside or it's 100 degrees
Yeah.
outside, and so it really makes people feel comfortable knowing that they're not going to freeze to death in the middle
Yeah.
of winter.
Right.
And our top priority is to get them taken care of as quickly as possible.
Well, that's really awesome.
We are proud of the A+ rating, and the other thing that sets us apart is that we individually take every one of our contractors and put them through a screening process.
Right.
So that we know who's coming through there. They're all licensed, bonded,
Yes.
and insured.
Okay.
Joel and I have met with them, and we know that they're good people that are servicing the contracts,
Okay.
and that they're out there taking good care of your people, your clients, and our clients as well.
Okay. And I also want to just bring up that you're a locally Utah-owned business,
We
right?
are, yeah, we are local, born and bred gentlemen,
Yay.
and we're not looking to take this company outside of Utah right now. We want to stay local. We
Yeah.
want to keep it. You lose touch if you get too
Yes.
big. You start to lose that touch. So we do. We really strive on being local and being that company that's going to be around for a long time.
And being local means it's extremely easy to get a hold of us.
Right. Well, you know the people, you
we
know, your contractors, you know, all of that. So,
Absolutely.
yeah. And when we call, we're actually getting a real person.
Every time.
Correct.
We're open
Correct.
365 days a year.
Well, that's
That's right.
great. And just out of interest for buyers that might be considering this, what would be the investment for purchasing a 1-year home warranty?
So we have monthly plans available, and the cool thing about it is most people think you got to buy a home to get a home warranty.
Right.
That's not the case. You can get your
Yeah.
home warranty put on any home that you own.
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter, but for as little as $35 a month, you can have your furnace, your air conditioner, your water heater, your dishwasher, your disposal.
Mm-hmm.
All of those items can be covered for $35 a month. It's cheap.
That's really awesome.
Just to name a few.
That's just
Yeah,
yeah,
this-
that's just a couple of them on that
Yeah.
particular plan. So.
Right.
Right.
So one of the things that I like to do, I'm a realtor here in Utah, and when I am working with a buyer, is that I actually incorporate the home warranty into the real estate purchase contract. So And you know, typically we like to have the seller pay for that. So there's no out-of-pocket expense in that regard.
Right.
So they get a home, plus they get the 1-year home warranty, and
That's
it's
right.
all covered. It's peace of mind for that year. And if they do make a claim, whether, you know, it could be the furnace or it could be the range or something goes wrong like that,
Yep.
is that there's a $60 deductible, which is you
Typical.
know, just a typical
It's an
normal-
extremely easy process.
Yes, and you guys get right on it.
Yep.
Yeah.
So
$60, and that's usually all that's out of their pocket.
yeah.
$60 to protect their budget for
Yeah.
something that could cost thousands of dollars is a pretty good deal.
Well, thank you so much, and for answering all the tough questions.
No, no problem.
Our pleasure.
We appreciate your support.
Yeah. Well, and these guys actually have something kind of special that they
Yeah.
want to tell us about. So go ahead.
So we're taking all the orders from the beginning of the year, and we're running a contest through Valentine's.
Yes.
And we're giving away a Hero 5.
Yay!
Yeah. So it's got it right there. Actually, if we look at this camera right here, that's shot on a Hero 5. Maybe
Yeah.
Vicki will put that in there.
Yeah.
But really, we just want to, if you go on and you give us a Google review,
Okay.
and we want it to be an authentic review. So if you have used our service, we ask that you go on there and give us a good review.
Okay.
If not, then go on to our Facebook page and at least give us a thumbs up or a like.
Okay.
And then any orders that we receive for this year all the way up to Valentine's Day will be entered in to win.
Okay.
So it kind of gives everybody the opportunity to go on there and participate.
So could someone just like put into Google Equity Home Warranty and you guys would pop up? So
Absolutely.
it's easy for people to find you on Facebook
Yes.
and also under Google reviews.
Yeah,
Right?
or equityhw.com is our
Okay,
website.
great. That's awesome.
Easy.
So again, that's a contest anytime between January 1st and February 14th of 2019. You go into the drawer to win a Hero 5 GoPro.
Be a hero for your Valentine.
There
Yeah,
you go.
That's catchy. We like it. Be a hero.
That is awesome. Well, thank you so much for coming in again. And again, that website is equityhw.com.
Yep.
Thanks again for watching, and thanks
Thank you.
guys for
All
coming
right.
in.
Thanks,
Our
Vicki.
pleasure. Thank you.